Smoky aromas are common in many types of food, especially grilled or barbecued foods in which smoke contributions are intentionally created. Smoky beers can remind tasters of smoked fish, bacon, or ham, and these beers are frequently paired with smoked foods as a complementary beverage. Just as different types of wood exhibit different aromas, there are a wide variety of descriptions of smoky characteristics. Syringol originates from wood, with the intensity of the compound enhanced by exposure to heat, such as by toasting or charring the inner wood of the barrel before filling it with spirits for aging. The charring process is part of barrel preparation for bourbon aging. Smoky character can also be added by using ingredients that are smoked, such as smoked malt, which is a malt type most commonly found in the German Rauchbier or smoke beer style, most commonly associated with Bamberg, Germany. This aroma can be derived primarily from aging of beer in charred barrels that have been previously used for maturation of bourbon. Brewers seeking to control the development of this aroma can do so through the selection of barrels that exhibit a desired amount of smoky characteristic, along with monitoring beer aroma during storage. When using ingredients that add smoky contributions, the brewer controls smoky contributions by evaluating the type of smoky aromas in the ingredients and their intensity, and controlling the amount of the ingredient being used, as well as where it is added during the brewing process. Natural or artificial smoke flavoring can be used to allow for a high degree of control of this in finished products. In the case of a beer with too high smoke content, a brewer can blend the beer with a less smoky version to lessen the intensity.